Hello, Bob here again. They told you that YouTube revenue was dead, that the golden days were over. But what if the truth is the biggest payout opportunities are happening right now and almost no one's talking about them? Because YouTube just changed the rules again. And the creators who understand this shift, who know how to trigger the new signals that feed the algorithm and advertisers, are quietly multiplying their income while everyone else complains about the low CPMs. This isn't about luck or guessing trends. It's about learning the system, the exact strategies that make the algorithm and the advertisers fight for your content. So if you're ready to turn views into serious revenue, stay right here, because I'm about to show you how to do it.
See, this game isn't about luck. It's about leverage, learning how to make the algorithm and the advertisers compete to promote your videos and pay you more for every view. So if you're tired of watching your ad revenue flatline while other channels explode, stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn the system in your favor. Everything you've been told about YouTube is a lie. What if I told you the platform just hit a giant reset button? For the first time ever, the little guy has a crazy advantage, and the big channels are running scared. You've probably heard that YouTube is too saturated, that making real money is impossible unless you've been on the platform for years. But here's the truth most creators don't want to face: YouTube isn't oversaturated, it's under-optimized. Right now, millions of channels are leaving money on the table because they don't understand how the new algorithm rewards creators who deliver what advertisers crave most: engaged viewers who stick around. And if you know how to trigger that behavior, the algorithm will flood you with reach, and the advertisers will pay premium CPMs to sit beside your content. That's where this new era of YouTube begins. The platform has changed, and so has the way money moves through it. CPMs aren't random, they're signals. Every watch minute, every comment, every click tells advertisers whether your audience is worth paying for. If you can keep people watching longer, interacting more, and clicking deeper, YouTube has to reward you with higher ad placements and higher payouts. The creators who understand this are already doubling their income without doubling their workload. So the next time someone tells you ad revenue is down, remember, it's not down for everyone, it's just down for those who didn't evolve. The old YouTube rewarded big budgets. The new YouTube rewards big engagement. You don't need a fancy studio, you need strategy. YouTube's AI isn't your enemy, it's your employee. It's constantly scanning billions of hours of content, trying to find what keeps people hooked. When it sees a video that performs, it doesn't care who made it, it just promotes it. That means your small channel, your honest voice, your authentic message, can literally outperform multi-million-dollar brands if you understand how to feed the algorithm the right data. It's simple math. Better engagement equals better promotion, which equals better ad revenue. It's not about chasing views anymore. It's about earning valuable views, the kind that advertisers are willing to pay top dollar for. Don't fight the algorithm, partner with it. When you align your content with what YouTube wants, you'll never have to chase exposure again. It will chase you. Growing a channel is good. But turning that growth into consistent cash flow, that's where creators become entrepreneurs. When you understand the four-part formula: Shorts Catapult, Audience Signal, Trend Wave, and Evergreen Goldmine, you're not just growing your channel, you're building a profit engine. Shorts bring traffic. Audience signals raise CPMs. Trends create momentum. Evergreen videos generate passive income long after the upload date. This isn't theory. It's the playbook of the modern creator who understands that attention is the new currency, and YouTube is the most valuable marketplace on earth. You don't need millions of subscribers to earn thousands of dollars. You just need a system that turns every view into value, and that's exactly what we're about to build together. Your channel can do more than survive, it can thrive. Because YouTube's new landscape doesn't punish small creators anymore. It rewards the ones who understand how to turn content into capital, creativity into cash flow, and consistency into financial freedom. This is the strategy the algorithm respects. And when you apply it, your next upload won't just get views, it'll get paid. Now you know the truth. You've seen how the algorithm has shifted, how attention has become currency, and how creators just like you are turning short bursts of creativity into long-term income. The question isn't can you make money on YouTube, it's will you start applying what you've just learned. Because here's the reality. Every single day you wait, someone else is uploading the video that could have been yours. Someone else is capturing the attention and the ad dollars that could have been in your account. But if you start today, you still have something far more valuable than experience, you have timing. This new YouTube economy is still wide open. The algorithm is craving fresh content, new faces, and original energy. It doesn't care if you're a beginner, if you film on your phone, or if your lighting isn't perfect. It only cares about one thing: can you hold attention? If you can, YouTube will pay you more than ever before. So here's your move. Stop researching, stop waiting, stop doubting. Pick one idea, film one video, and publish it. Then do it again. Every upload trains the algorithm to recognize your voice, your audience, your style, and soon, your channel becomes a magnet for viewers and advertisers alike. You don't need permission. You already have the tools, the knowledge, and the timing. Start today. Build your income, your brand, and your freedom, one video at a time. Subscribe now, take action, and let's make the algorithm work for you. Once again, everything you've been told about YouTube is a lie. What if I told you the platform just hit a giant reset button? For the first time ever, the little guy has a crazy advantage, and the big channels are running scared. You spend 100 hours editing a video, you hit publish, and 0 views. It's the worst feeling in the world. Then you see some random channel get 1 million subscribers overnight and you scream, "What is the secret?" Well, the rules just change, and this time, they changed for you to win. The old YouTube is dead. The algorithm doesn't care about your subscribers or your fancy camera anymore. It's not a VIP club. It only cares about one thing: is your video good? Your small channel isn't a weakness, it's your secret weapon. And I'm going to give you the exact 4-step formula that will change everything. Section 1. The 4-part formula for viral growth. Part 1. The Shorts Catapult. YouTube Shorts are literally the most broken way for a new channel to get discovered. Think of them as lottery tickets. Most will do nothing, but one is going to explode and get you millions of views. The Shorts algorithm is insane. If 100 people like your short, it shows it to 1,000. If they rewatch it, it shows it to 1 million. Your mission is simple: start making shorts. Cut your long videos into short ones. Create a crazy hook in the first 3 seconds. A single viral short can become a superhighway, funneling hundreds of thousands of people to your main channel. Part 2. The audience signal. Please comment because YouTube wants to see a party in your comment section. A video with 0 comments is dead. Don't let this channel suffer. But a video with 1,000 comments is a festival, and the algorithm wants to sell more tickets. For the first hour after you upload, I want you to reply to every single comment. Ask questions in your videos. Every reply you type is like throwing gasoline on a fire, making the flames bigger and brighter. It sends a massive signal to YouTube that says, people love this video. Real quick, if you are serious about blowing up, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this video is important, and it literally helps more people just like you see this. Thank you. Let's get to part 3. Part 3. The trend wave. I'm giving you permission to stop trying to be 100% original. In 2025, being fast is more powerful than being first. Think of a trend like a giant tsunami. You can either try to swim against it and get crushed, or you can grab a surfboard and ride it to millions of views with basically no effort. Your job is to find what's popular and attach your video to it. A new superhero movie drops? If you run an engineering channel, build their gadgets. You don't have to create the wave, you just have to ride it. This is how you get in front of millions of people who have no idea who you are. Part 4. The evergreen goldmine trends get you views today. This is how you get views for the next 10 years. A trend video is a firework, it's an amazing flash, and then it's gone. An evergreen video is like planting a money tree. It's work up front, but it will get you views while you sleep, year after year, with 0 extra effort. Here's what you do. Find the biggest questions in your niche. Then, make the single greatest video on the internet answering it. This combination will make your channel literally unstoppable. Section 2. The mindset shift. Knowing this formula is not enough. You have to destroy the excuses holding you back. You do not need a fancy camera. I could give you $1 million setup, and it wouldn't matter if your video is boring. Your phone is all you need to go viral. You don't have to be a world-class expert, you just need to know a little bit more than your audience. You don't have to be a master chef to teach someone how to boil an egg. And if you think you're too late, you're wrong. The game literally just reset, and they're handing out a pickaxe to anyone who's ready to dig. That's it. The entire blueprint is that simple. The platform isn't rewarding the biggest channels, it's rewarding the channels that people actually watch. It's a 4-step plan. 1. Use the Shorts catapult to launch. 2. Send the right audience signals to prove people care. 3. Ride the trend wave to get seen by millions. And 4. Build an evergreen goldmine that pays you forever. The entire system has been redesigned for you. Your next video could be the one. The only thing stopping you is you. Final CTA, so now you have the strategy. But what video should you actually make? Don't worry. If you're serious about this, click the links near the top of the description below to find out how. 80% of success isn't talent, luck, or genius, it's simply showing up. From potters and writers to entrepreneurs and athletes, the winners aren't those who wait for perfect conditions, but those who act consistently, even when it's inconvenient. Showing up, physically, mentally, and emotionally, builds momentum, mastery, and identity. Check the description below for the software which helps us become highly efficient in the production of YouTube videos. The compound effect of daily effort transforms invisible roots into visible results. This principle demolishes procrastination, fuels discipline, and turns ordinary persistence into extraordinary achievement. Success belongs not to the most gifted, but to those who refuse to stop showing up. We believe in you. Go forth and win.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.